motor. Yeah. Hi guys, okay, so basically it has a 22 kPa power, suction power, and then it has the LED touch screen. You can see it, right? And then you can just play around with it. Just a soft touch here, and then you can put the auto here. Auto will detect when the dust, there are too many dust, it will increase its power by itself. Yes. How to do this? How to remove this one? Just click here. Put it aside. Okay, then you put in a plug, and then here is the holder of the charger, right? On the right hand side, you put it here. Okay, and then here you put it, but there's a lock key here. You press it, then it locks. Then it will be charged. Okay, that's very simple. Then if you want to take it out, just press it again and take it out. This model has 3 speed. Usually with this price range, they will only cover 2 speed. So this one, you can touch screen from 1, 2 and 3 basic. This aluminum is very light, so basically you won't have a problem in doing your chores. Okay. How about this one? This one is, what is the function of this actually, right? This one is actually to function as to avoid the hair from strangling into your suction. So basically it is very useful, especially you have a cat. And then one more thing, if you can see, right, there's a light here so that it will detect and so that you can vacuum it at a dark place, maybe under the sofa or something. And then it can bend up until almost 180. So that's very good luck for me. Okay, one of the interesting thing about this version is that from the manual I can see that the motor and battery are protected by soft start technology. Okay, what is that? It is basically if you turn it off, on off so often, it won't spoil easily. That's the best part of this technology lah, because it's very good, because sometimes you just want to vacuum a small thing and then you off, and then you go around somewhere and then you find another dust and then you turn it off and on and on and on. So basically you guys feel more safely because the motor and battery are soft start protected technology. Okay, this LED touch screen actually designed by their own team. And then from here you can see that it has dust detection, which means that you can choose the auto speed so that you can detect dust. This big roller soft brush actually to avoid hair tanglement at the nozzle, so it keeps your vacuum stuck lah during your chores. So that's very comfortable, and then that's very good to know, especially when you have a lot of cat or you have a lot of hair in your house. So that's very good. And then you can see right here there's a light so that you can vacuum at a dark place, maybe under the sofa, or maybe you don't want to turn off the light because maybe at night, but you want to vacuum a small bit of dust there and there, and you don't have to turn off your light because there is also light here. That's very good. And then you can charge it up to 3 to 4 hours, and if you use the maximum speed, like the max one, the third level one, it can goes up to 30 minutes. It depends on your usage, but if you put it auto, it will be taking longer to recharge. So if you use the auto mode, then maybe it will take longer for you to recharge. Then maybe it will take you longer time before you recharge. So basically it needs like 3 to 4 hours to fully recharge lah. So it's okay, that's fine. So I think I'm very comfortable, and then it's also very easy to use. Okay, there's one more thing that you should know. Okay, let's say you press this one and then it opens, and then you counterclockwise it to open this one. So you double click it back again and put it like this. So settle. So after I want to do this, I just click here, push. You can put it here. And then what I will do is I want to clean this one. Put it like this. You sound the click, right? Sure.